are Jacques Pepin's old recipe. He would take potatoes and cook them till they were just tender, squish them with a water glass. That's what we've done here. Small potatoes, you don't have to peel them or anything. Just throw them in water, add salt. When they're just fork tender, not fully cooked, take them out, squish them. Then you add olive oil and or butter. I like melted butter on these. Slather them and throw them in a 450 oven till they get crispy with a little salt and pepper. Couldn't be easier, and they're delicious. They're like jumbo potato chips kind of thing. Really yummy. Okay, so these are fatted, salt and peppered. We've got our crispy squished potatoes. Perfectly delicious room temperature as well. A little bit of parsley on top is all those guys need.